Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. Today we're going to be talking about why I love market dips. Why I love it when markets fall, markets crash, or there's a correction, because it's a great opportunity to buy for long term. Alright, so before we get into that, let's go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on my future videos. And I'll also have my social media links for Pinnacle Trading here. We have Facebook, Instagram right now. I'm still setting it up, but the accounts are already made, so I'll be posting more on there just to reach out to more people on social media. And also have the Robinhood referral link right there, and I have the Discord. That's a live alerts chat room. It's completely free to join. You can click on that or click the link over here. For some reason, if it doesn't work, I know some people have been saying that it expired or it just doesn't work. Just give me a message or comment on any of my videos and I'll get back to you within a couple hours. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the charts to look at the technical analysis on why market dips are amazing. So recently I made a video on this right here, 3 long-term stocks to buy, and those 3 picks were: first one Bank of America, next one was Alibaba, and the last one was Berkshire Hathaway. So the first one, let's go ahead and look at them over here, and it's just a coincidence that they all start with B and that they're in order right here. So the first one, let's go ahead and look at Alibaba. The ticker for that is BABA. Alright, so markets recently dropped. February we had that huge market correction, and when I made this video it was around here at the 180 area. I called it out when it was about 180.50 or so, and it fell a little lower and then it came back up again. So when you see those small drops, those are the big market makers or the big guys on Wall Street. They have billions and millions of shares and they're unloading and loading up. They're just trying to take out people's stop losses and just creating some panic. I love buying the panic, buying the fear, and buying panic selling. So when you see that drops like that, it's a nice time to buy. Markets aren't going to crash again, obviously. It's just a small drop and should be loading up in 3s there. By 3s I mean you take 3 blocks and you just buy in 3 separate blocks. So you take your first entry position when the markets are dropping, and then you wait for the lows, and then once they start going back up again, and you buy more. That's the strategy that I used, and it works nicely because you can average down on the price. Because if you just go in all in right here and it keeps dropping, you're probably gonna panic or just get stopped out. So to be mentally stable on the position, so that you don't get faked out, you want to buy in 3s. Alright, so regardless, I alerted around 180 area. That's where I set to buy, and it's back up to 192. So that was over. Let's go to the winning trades over here. That was $12 per share profit on that one. The next one, let's go ahead to Berkshire Hathaway, and I alerted that to buy around 200 area, and it's up over $13 per share profit. And when you see these small jumps right here and you see the formation, you know that it's going to be going back up. Just look at the MACD and RSI. That's the first 2 things that I see before I even buy anything. And the next thing, I look at the support, resistance, and then I have these buy sell alerts. I barely even use them. I just made them because I was coding the scripts, and it's just really nice to see it on the chart how it actually works. But I look at more of the technical analysis than just the arrows that I have over here. And the last one was Bank of America. This is a steady climber. This is one of my favorite financial stocks to own. This, I've been watching it more than a year and a half when I started trading, and it was about $15 to $16 per share. Right now it's about $33 per share, so that's over double. And I alerted this to buy around 31 area, 31.50, and it's about $33 right now, so that's $2 per share profit potential, and that's less than other ones because the other ones are big movers. They're over $100 each. So in this one you can buy more shares of, and you also get good dividends on this, same as the other ones, except for Berkshire Hathaway. There's no dividends on that, but Alibaba and Bank of America does give you that. So when you do buy market dips like that, let's look at the S&P 500. There'll be some fake outs like this. They'll go back up, so people will think, oh, it's recovering, and then come back down, another fake out, and then they start going up. So that's the secret that people miss out on, and it takes time to learn. You have to be mentally alert on that one, and you just have to be strong and have the stomach for that drop. And you buy more or average down, or just wait, just don't look at your portfolio, and usually it goes back up. So that's why I love market dips, because it gives you cheaper price to get in on the markets. And if you look at the history, let's look at the max. So when it drops like this, it goes back up, has a fake out there, drops, has a fake out there, and another drop right here. Look at that fake out right here, and then it starts going back up. So I love market drops just because you can get cheaper shares, and you can average down on your entry if you did buy at the high, and it's just great to add to your portfolio, you know, load up on. And if you're not investing or doing swing trading, it's even better for you because you're catching it on the low, selling on the high, and, you know, rinse and repeat that strategy. So that's my video today on why I love market dips and market corrections, and why I love panic selling, just because when people are selling, taking losses, that's where I'm looking to get in and take those cheap shares and sell at the high, or keep holding for long term. And this is my chat room right here. We've been having numerous back-to-back winning trades on this. I call out mainly swing trading and long-term alerts. This is what they look like. I'll call out the entry, potential entry, and exit, and I'll put a stop loss, and I'll put a brief description on my analysis on that one. And for some of them I posted charts. This is mostly for long term, like Walmart I'm calling out right now. It's a great buy below $90 per share, so if you are going to get that, then that's great for long term. It's ready for breakout. So I show quick chart, and I see that MACD is going up, RSI is positive above 30, so I like it for long term. And we also have our main chat, so we'll just talk about stocks, you know, anything general, trading questions. I'll get back to you in that chat room. And we have our watch list here, and winning trades, and suggestions if you have any for the chat room. So that's basically the chat room there. It's completely free to join, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified of my future videos. I hope you enjoyed my video. I try to keep it simple as possible, but I will go into more depth on how I pick out trades. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care.